did redo this stuff here.
A lot of it was redone. It really deteriorated.
It's beautiful up here, isn't it?
Well, Marshall, I thought you were already up here.
No, I'm a coming. My backpack's stuck now though, so.
Can I help you in any way?
This is kind of the worst spot to get up.
This is where I wanted to get, so. I can't believe you're up here, Bubba.
I know.
I mean, this is, I expected it would be a little challenging, and I actually didn't think you'd come up. But there's no stopping him.
I didn't want to go the rest of the way.
Maybe
This is it.
Yeah, well, no, there's
maybe
still...
do you want a picture
Actually,
of your dad with
Sure.
this?
oh, wait a minute. Now that is, the top of that step wouldn't be.
There's no more windows. I mean, you're up here.
Yeah,
Okay?
I see, sure.
Do not go over this way. Whack, go over that way. I may sound kind of forceful. I'm just trying to make sure that.
I'll make sure that your dad gets this picture. We'll try to get the bell in here with you.
Yeah. Okay. 360 camera. So it sees you. It sees me. It sees him. It sees everybody. So you don't mind, I hope.
No, I don't mind at all. It just didn't look good in the picture.
No, that's good. You're taking care of us, watching out for us.
You know, I didn't
Look at
get a
that view.
chance to tell everybody, Marshall, that
Yeah.
my first real strong memory of being here was from my funeral in 1936 when I was 6 years old. My grandfather, the Sever, had died in 34. I probably was here for that, but I definitely remember 1936 for Grandma Severson.
Wow.
The first time I seen my father cry,
Oh.
and the only time, I believe.
So you can come around here and see this Norska writing here.
Birth of my mother. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Selma, of course, was the one that kept the mail going, keeping me up on everything over the years.
Kept what?
Selma.
Yeah.
Writing letters.
Oh, right. Yeah.
You know, I've got video of her and Matilda up in Alaska. Lots of it too, if you want any.
Visit us in 1995.
I remember that,
Yeah,
yeah. She had never seen the ocean before, and she came back with pebbles of sand and a little bit of water and a little vial.
Okay, den norska evangeliska
Oh, yeah.
Lutheriske synod Kirken. It says Kirka.
That's true.
Yeah,
What
the
does it say?
Norwegian Evangelical Lutheran Synod Church, Sondra Beef River.
Sandra is
Sondra,
south.
yeah,
It's a
Sondra.
Sandra Beef River.
Blev Bigot.
Do you think they
Blev
mind
Bigot.
if we rang the bell? I think that was
Well, that's.
isn't it sacrificial?
I don't know. I love your adventurism. I mean, that's I hadn't thought about
I
that.
would love to. What could they do after it's wrong?
Nothing. The only thing is, oh God,
Yeah, there's a lot of that.
there's a dead bird in there.
See,
Well, feel free.
that,
Thank you.
I mean,
I want to.
they rang it before. I don't know who was doing it. I don't think it was recorded. Maybe it was this real bell that was going off this morning. I
It
don't
would just signify the end of the service.
know. Now it says something up here too. Oh, you want to pull it from downstairs, or right
I'll
here?
pull it from up here.
Right here.
I
think
bet
we'll
you
do
have
it.
to really pull it hard. That's a heavy bell. Oh, is that how you ring it?
Well, I don't know.
I thought
this
it
is
was
something
that
else.
thing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You want to run 10?
I saw a rope someplace, but
Down
it's
down
not,
below.
I don't see it here. So
I wonder what this. Oh,
Where's the
this is actually.
cleaner?
I see what it
Oh,
is. You go downstairs. Not now. I mean, but you go downstairs. You pull this, and it's gonna do the clapping. That's what it's gonna do.
Yeah, it's like when it sounds the time, 1, 2, but then when the greeting is ding, ding,
Ah,
ding,
okay.
that's the rock and roll.
Gotcha. Okay.
Oh, it says Don on the inside there. I wonder what that means.
Like your dad?
Yeah.
Maybe he did something else. Oh, I didn't get all this here. What's it say?
Is that written on this side?
There's a lot.
Wait, let's see.
Okay. Whoa, don't touch anything. I just have to be very direct.
God's church.
God's church. See, it's
Or
S.
is and, but
Don't lean on that, or don't pull on it. It's not going to hold you up.
yeah. But
Except Dan here's got a little bit of an
This-
anchor there, I'm sure.
can you see the rest of that?
Well,
I can,
Of Hans
his.
Ossen in the fall. That's Old Norwegian.
Yeah.
That's Old Norwegian. That's more than Hjerte Knyttet.
Hjerte.
It was made here, it looks like, in big. That's definitely Old Norse, man. That's Elska
Elska is love.
og bliv ver.
Gordon, you know that you're
Yeah,
really
yeah,
close to
yeah.
that. Okay.
Yeah, here, let's look at.
okay.
You should stand on the other side of me,
Yeah,
okay? We're gonna all make it back. This is unbelievable. Man, I'm telling you.
I know. The determination.
Now, let's see how much.
Go ahead.
Yeah, let's read it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That's a bell. Oh my
Hey.
gosh. That's a bell.
Did you have it running? Your camera running? Was your camera running?
No, I should have had it on video.
He could do it one more time, maybe.
All right.
As long as I anchor myself here so I don't jump out of my shoes. Hang on now.
That's awesome.
Still
Well,
loud
how's this
and
gonna
clear.
go?
One of us should go down before him. That's what I would say. And I'm going to turn this off so I'm available for everything. But,
You go first. I'm gonna stay last.